What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's talk about Lucky's Leprecoin in this video. I think this is a project that I haven't talked about in a while. I really like the team. I like the head that they have on their shoulders. I like the path that they're really moving forward in. Is this really a utility coin? No, it's not a utility coin. It is a meme play. It's something that has a ton of value based on where investors can take it. But it all depends on the people that are getting involved in this and the people that believe in like this meme play, because it is a meme play, right? It's about popularity. And honestly, this has gained a lot of popularity in the beginning to where it's had some exchanges reach out to them and go, hey, we want to do a free listing because we like the amount of activity, we like the movement, we've seen everything, and we want to experience that on our exchange. And they have a couple of exchanges that they are a part of, that they are tradable on. But obviously, you want to see a lot more. As the more that you see it in like top tier exchanges, the more movement you can see. However, those exchanges cost a lot of money, and we will talk about the potential and where we will go, and what I see and what I've heard from them. So, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Don't forget about my Margex link if you guys want to sign up for that. And I'll also provide all the links for Lucky's down below if you want to research it yourself. So if you are trying to understand like what is, Lucky's Leprecoin, Lucky's Leprecoin is a meme play to where it's basically all about the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. That's the way that I interpret it. That's not the way that they interpret it, but that's the way that I interpret it, because it is a meme play. It is about chasing that one thing that we all want, right? That bag of gold, that large amount of money that we want within a position, but not screwing everybody else over in the process, right? The team and the investors, everybody that's a part of this cares about the growth of the position, and the slow growth of the position, rather than the large fast growth, and see this pump up to 5 million, $10 million and then dump down. No one wants that. No one wants one person to benefit out of this or 10 people to benefit out of it out of 1,000, right? You want to make sure that as many people as you can benefit out of this position with the slow eventual growth up and the slow sell off of some positions and or some of your holdings. And then we see more people that are buying that up, right? If you have a one person that holds a large amount, they sell some of that large amount, that gets split up into more people that gobble that up, and it starts to skyrocket again. We want to see the buying supersede the selling that's there. So this is about the pot of gold that's at the end of the rainbow. It is a meme play, and I think a meme play that you guys are looking for, because I think the good guy never really gets any like credit, or never really gets the things that they deserve. And I think this should be it, right? We need that luck. We need to see that the team behind it is very transparent, is very open, very honest, and they're good people. So seeing good people win for once, rather than having these people that have boatloads of money that are pushing out all of these things to where they only care about the pump and dump of the situation, you never really have the good guy win, because the good guy may not have as much money as the other guy that's over there, right? And that's maybe the one issue with Lucky's Leprecoin, is the fact that it's all funded by regular people. It's not funded by any organization. There's no taxes on it, so you're not building any type of large funding that's there, and it's all funded by the salaries of the people that are in charge. And that may be very difficult, because now if you're trying to launch on an exchange, I don't know if you know the costs of exchanges, but sometimes they can range from a couple thousands of dollars to 30 or 40 or $100,000 up to $1 million with some of these tier 1 and S tier exchanges, right? It could be a lot that goes towards it. So it's something where you have to pick and choose where you believe that people are going to invest on, and you also have to take that risk, believing that this will be worth a lot more, and spend your salary doing so, right? I'm not on the team, right? I'm not a creator or a dev, or I don't spend any money associated with, building this out, but I know how much of a struggle it is. And I want to see them succeed so much, not only for my own benefit, but also for the investors' benefit and their benefit, and how good people do good things. And I want them to thrive. Now, enough of this. You want to know where the position is, where it's come from. So if you're new here, Lucky's Leprecoin is currently standing at, I believe it's 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros, 4, 5, 4, 8. And you're seeing 71 or 711 billion tokens. 711, right? Because, Lucky's Leprecoin. You have 100% of the tokens that are out there, so you don't have to worry about any type of dilution. You have a $321,000 market cap, so it's not million, 321,000 with $359,000 worth of volume. 110% of the volume, or volume and market cap ratio there. So of the market cap, $359 million is going towards, buying and selling the volume, right? If we understand the fully diluted market cap, again, it's basically the same point. If we look at how this has moved over the last 7 days, it is up 2%. In the last month, it's down 31%. In the last year, it's up 220 or 212%. So it still is up a hell of a lot over the last year. And over this point, I believe it's up a lot more. And where this has gone, it got all the way up to I won't even say it here, but it was a $1.6 million market cap. I'm hype about that, because it moved from an $80,000 market cap to a $1.6 million market cap, pushing the $2 million market cap. And it did come right back down, but did end up increasing. You could see how it's stabilizing right above here, because people believe in that. People believe where it could go. So honestly, we want to see more and more that happens with this position. But I think, you have to spend money to make money. And that's the problem, is that it's not about them to make money here. It's about growing a project and building something on morals, building something on the right, for the right reason, right? And seeing a lot of people succeed within these meme coins and this meme coin, and being able to make a ton out of this, while everybody else is also going to do the same. So I like Lucky's Leprecoin where they currently stand. If you wanted to buy them, they're on 2bit, they're on Uniswap version 2, Bitconomy Exchange, CoinStore, Tokepi, and then you have another breakdown. So it's USDC as well as WETH. So either way, you're going to see this movement, and currently you're seeing 294 that's going through 2bit, and see about 60,000 that's going through Bitconomy Exchange, and 1,000 that's going through Uniswap. So we want to see a lot more. I want to see them end up in the right place, and see all exchanges that are deciding to trade Lucky's Leprecoin in the end. If you wanted to understand how many holders there are, it's currently at about 400 holders right now, and 2,639 transactions. So hopefully we can see a lot more potential going forward. But again, I'm in on this position. I believe that, again, good people should see good things happen to them. And I think this community is full of good people, as well as the team, the development team is full of, good people. And so yeah, definitely check this out if you guys are interested. The link is down below. I will probably mention it a lot more. I have a couple of videos on my channel that already mention it, and we'll see how this does flourish, because I believe it will. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.